So today we will see how we can change the username of our Gmail. Now you may confused with the username. I am not talking about the name here. I'm talking about the first part of your email address. Here you can see our Gmail. So we go to our Google account, and from personal information we'll go to email, and from here we'll click on Google account email. So this is our email address what we want to change, but before that please sign into your Google account with your password. Now here you can see we have the option for changing our Google account. So we can change the first part of our Gmail, and you can keep it the way you like to call your Gmail. Now you can see we just change our Gmail. So what will happen if someone send you email, you will get it in this address as well as an alternative email. If someone send any email to your previous Gmail address, you will get the email as well. So let's demonstrate. Let's try to send email from our new Gmail that we just change. Okay, just we can see here our email is now changed here for the Google account, and let's try to send an email to another email. Okay, this one might just need to check it's working or not. And if we try to send any email with the changed Gmail, what will happen that it's not going to send. Yes, this is the error, but we will fix it in this video. Now if we try to send with the previous email we have, it will send the email successfully. And if you come over to the inbox, you will see that you got the email here. Okay, now let's see if we send any email in our changed Gmail address. Should we get it? Okay, here you can see we got the email. So our incoming is working for this new changed email, but not the outgoing. So let's fix it. Go to setting, and from setting click on see all setting. Now go for accounts and import. Here you can see your previous email. Just delete that one. Now what will happen, you have only your new email address that you can use to send email everyone. Okay, let's try this one. We send it and it come over to the inbox with the actual Gmail. And the best part, if someone send in your previous Gmail address, you will get this one. Okay, hope you like this video and this update. Thank you so much.